Hey there, data enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you as we dive into the world of data science, combining the dynamic duo Python and SQL. Segment 1, The Foundation Understanding Python for Data Science. First things first, let's talk Python. It's the backbone of data science, and we'll explore how its versatility can handle various tasks in the world of data. We'll cover the basics to get you started. From variables to loops, we've got you covered.
Libraries and data structures. Python's strength lies in its libraries. We'll explore essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas, along with different data structures that make data manipulation a breeze. Python's data analysis capabilities combined with SQL's database querying powers can unlock valuable insights. We'll analyze a dataset together to showcase this. Machine learning integration. Python is a go-to language for machine learning, and SQL's role is equally crucial in managing the data needed for these models. Stick around as we integrate Python's machine learning libraries with SQL databases. And there you have it, folks. Python and SQL, a dynamic duo for every data scientist. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy coding.